The legend is back, and this time it's louder, wider, faster, and more aggressive than ever before. Welcome back to Car Trend, the channel where we bring you the hottest future cars before they hit the streets, and today we are taking a deep dive into the stunning new 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle Chevy. This modern muscle machine is bringing back one of the most iconic American names in automotive history, and honestly, this car looks ready to dominate both the streets and the track. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle Chevy is its unbelievable road presence. This car keeps the spirit of the classic Chevelle alive while blending it perfectly with futuristic design elements. Up front, the aggressive LED headlights stretch deep into the muscular fenders, giving the car a sharp and intimidating face. The massive blacked-out grille, huge air intakes, and sculpted hood make this machine look like a true American beast. Chevrolet designers clearly wanted this car to look powerful even when standing still, and they absolutely nailed it. From the side profile, the long hood and wide body proportions instantly remind you of the golden era of muscle cars. The flowing body lines, deep side skirts, and huge alloy wheels create a perfect balance between retro styling and modern aerodynamics. The low stance gives the car a planted look, while the rear fenders appear extremely muscular, almost like the car is flexing its power before launching down the road. Every angle of this Chevelle screams confidence and performance. Moving toward the rear, the modern LED taillights create a futuristic signature that still respects the original Chevelle DNA. The rear diffuser, quad exhaust setup, and sporty spoiler complete the aggressive appearance. Chevrolet has clearly designed this car to attract attention everywhere it goes. Whether parked at a car show or driving through the city at night, the 2026 Chevelle Chevy looks like a celebrity on wheels. Now let's talk about what could be hiding under the hood, because this is where things get seriously exciting. Rumors suggest that Chevrolet may offer multiple powertrain options for the new Chevelle. The base model could feature a twin-turbocharged V6 engine producing impressive horsepower, while higher trims may come equipped with a monstrous V8 pushing well beyond 700 horsepower. Some reports even hint at a supercharged setup inspired by high-performance Camaro engineering. If that happens, this Chevelle could become one of the wildest muscle cars ever produced. Imagine pressing the start button and hearing that deep American 5.8 rumble echo through the exhaust system. That sound alone would be enough to excite any car enthusiast. Chevrolet knows muscle cars are not just about speed, they are about emotion, drama, and pure excitement. The 2026 Chevelle Chevy seems ready to deliver all of that in one incredible package. Performance expectations are already sky high. With advanced suspension systems, adaptive handling technology, and improved aerodynamics, this car may not only dominate straight-line acceleration but also surprise drivers with its cornering abilities. The new Chevelle could finally combine old-school muscle power with modern sports car precision. That means drivers may experience thrilling acceleration without sacrificing comfort or control. Inside the cabin, the transformation is just as dramatic. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle Chevy is expected to feature a luxury-inspired interior filled with advanced technology and premium materials. Drivers could get a massive digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless smartphone connectivity, ambient lighting, and a premium sound system. The combination of leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum would create a cabin that feels both sporty and luxurious. The seats are expected to be heavily bolstered for performance driving while still remaining comfortable for long-distance cruising. Chevrolet may also include customizable driving modes that allow drivers to switch between comfort, sport, and track settings with just a touch of a button. This would completely change the personality of the car depending on the situation. Safety technology is also expected to improve significantly. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system could all become part of the package. Even though this is a hardcore muscle car, Chevrolet clearly understands the importance of modern driver assistance systems. One of the most interesting possibilities is the arrival of a hybrid performance version. The automotive world is changing rapidly, and even muscle cars are beginning to embrace electrification. Chevrolet could potentially introduce an electrified Chevelle variant that combines a powerful gasoline engine with electric motors for instant torque and improved acceleration. If done correctly, this setup could make the new Chevelle even faster while maintaining its iconic muscle car identity. The market for modern muscle cars has become incredibly competitive over the last few years. Rivals continue pushing boundaries with insane horsepower numbers and advanced performance technology. But the return of the Chevelle name could give Chevrolet something unique that competitors simply cannot copy. The Chevelle carries decades of heritage, nostalgia, and emotional connection with car enthusiasts around the world. Bringing back this legendary badge is not just about building another fast car, it's about reviving an icon. Fans of classic American muscle cars have waited years for something like this. Many people grew up watching old Chevelles dominate drag strips, appear in movies, and become symbols of raw automotive freedom. Now the idea of seeing that name return in a modern high-performance form is creating massive excitement across the automotive community. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle Chevy also has the potential to become a customization dream. Enthusiasts will likely modify these cars with upgraded exhaust systems, bigger superchargers, custom wheels, wide-body kits, and aggressive tuning packages. The aftermarket world could fully embrace this car, turning it into one of the most popular modern muscle platforms on the market. Fuel economy probably will not be the biggest priority for buyers of this machine, but Chevrolet may still improve efficiency compared to older muscle cars thanks to modern engine management systems and lightweight materials. Aluminum components and advanced engineering could help reduce weight while improving overall performance and handling balance. Pricing will play a huge role in the success of the new Chevelle. If Chevrolet positions this car competitively against other modern performance vehicles, it could attract both longtime muscle car fans and younger buyers looking for something exciting and different. Limited editions and special performance trims could also appear later, increasing the exclusivity and desirability of the car. At the end of the day, the 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle Chevy represents much more than just another car launch. It represents the rebirth of a legend. It brings together classic American muscle heritage with futuristic styling, advanced performance technology, and modern luxury features. This is exactly the type of car that reminds people why they fell in love with driving in the first place. If Chevrolet truly delivers on the hype surrounding this car, the new Chevelle could become one of the most talked about performance vehicles of the decade. From its aggressive styling and thunderous power to its high-tech interior and legendary name, this machine looks ready to capture the hearts of muscle car fans everywhere. Thanks for watching Car Trend. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest future car reveals, concept vehicles, and automotive news. Let us know in the comments what you think about the return of the Chevrolet Chevelle Chevy, and tell us if you would choose this modern muscle monster over its rivals. Stay tuned for more incredible automotive content right here on Car Trend.